Hello! Hi! Hello!
Ayan.
God is good.
All the time?
God is good!
Ayan. Siyempre, una muna natin makakausap kung sino una nakalaka. Charing. Charing.
Ayan. Taas masyado.
Bawas tayo ng isa.
Bawasan. Okay, so, ba't ba ako nagdala ng piano?
Ngayon na naka. Iwanan ko dun sa likod. Mahina.
Hello.
Saka lang ah.
Ayan. Performance mo, set up mo.
School to eh. Hello?
Yes. Okay.
Parang nasa school tayo ah. Tayo magsiset up ng sarili natin. Ganito pala. Ayan. Yun. Hello. Hello. Hi guys, welcome to my gig.
Ang hindi pumalakpak. Ang hindi pumalakpak.
Hindi po malakpak, labas. Joke lang. Okay. Hello. Mahina ba yung mic? Okay. Hindi, kasi naisipan ko magdala ng piano kasi sanay na kayong nagigitara ako. And wala lang, bilang 10 years, gusto ko kayong kantahan. So nag-prepare ako. Habang nag-heal ako, productive pa yan. So parang nag-prepare ako para sa inyo. Okay. Yun. I would like to leave this city. This old town don't smell too pretty, and I can feel the warning signs running around my mind. And when I leave this island, I book myself into a soul asylum, 'cause I can feel the warning signs running around my mind. So here I go, I'm still scratching around in the same old hole. My body feels young, but my mind is very old. So what do you say? You can't give me the dreams that are mine anyway. You have the world away. You have the world away. And when I leave this planet, you know I'd stay, but I just can't Yun talaga. Hintayin natin yung more. Okay.
More.
Baka nagsawa na kayo sa kantang to dahil kanina pa siya nagpa-play. Pero, sige. Antahin natin. Wait lang. Alalahanin ko lang yun. So, let's do this. Not afraid to walk out, I'm just afraid if you follow. I'm not afraid to fall in love, I'm just afraid if it runs out. Give me another day to think about every word I said. Give me the light to linger on. What if I don't? Where do I go? I know it's my fault, and I leave tomorrow. Your love is a song, stop singing it. Your love is just too pretty, but it's not for me. I'm not afraid of one step, I'm just afraid of a leap of faith. I try to run away from uncertainties I can't keep up with. Give me another day to think about every word I said. Give me the light to linger on. But what if I don't? Where do I go? I know it's my fault, but I leave tomorrow. Your love is a song, stop singing. Your love is just too pretty, but it's not for living you blood. 'Cause I left the light on, light on. What if I don't? Where do I go? I know it's my fault, and I leave tomorrow. Your love is a song, stop singing it. Your love is just too pretty, but it's not for me. But it's not for me. It's not for me. Your love is just too pretty, but it's not for me. It's not for me.
More! May 8 pa.
Kanta ni Maristela. Maris, ang kanta ni Maristela. Sa album.
Halika, mama mo.
Hello! Ayan, hello.
Pwede ba mag-request?
Okay, so... Alam ko mag-more talaga. Nag-ready ako ng 3 for today.
Yes.
May one last ako. So this song, matagal ko na itong inalagaan. Matagal ko na din itong nasulat. Pero hindi pa siya na-release. Yes, hindi pa. So nagpaalam ako sa label ko nung pwede ko bang i-play. Kasi gusto ko mag-gift sa inyo dahil sobrang loyal nyo sa akin. Parang gusto kong bigyan ko kayo ng regalo. So ipa-play ko sa inyo yung song na Sobrang, isa sa mga favorite kong nasulat. And, ano siya, para to sa mga taong in denial sa feelings nila. Sino yun? Hands up. Sino mga in denial dyan? So, kahit na may magandang promise or pagmamahal na ino-offer sa'yo, ayaw mo pa rin kasi in denial ka talaga. Okay lang. You do you.
Mama mo dito.
Hello. Okay. This is called Before These Feelings Go. I'm not the type you see running around different cities, wasting her love and her money. There's somewhere I gotta be, listening to whispers inside me, longing to be somebody. You say I'm one of the best, I've gotta confess, I'm just like the rest. I've gotta let you know, you gotta go before these feelings grow. Before these feelings grow. If someday our hearts are free and we've got everything we need, will you still be searching for me? For me? You say I'm one of the best, I've gotta confess, I'm just like the rest. I've gotta let you know, you gotta go before these feelings grow. 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 You say I'm one of the best, I gotta confess, I'm just like the rest. I've gotta let you know, before you go, these feelings have grown. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you! Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Grabe. Si setup niya, si kanta niya. Siya to lahat. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Pero ayan, syempre bago, nag-message niya si Maris, pero bago ang lahat, ako muna mag-message. Kasi I have to go. Pero hindi, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pag-invite sa akin. Thank you, pasensya na.